And Nabi sallallahu alayhi wasallam, he says, as for the one who you seen the boulder coming on top of his head and being smashed right on his head, and it was continuous like that until the day of judgment. Two things in Nabi sallallahu alayhi wasallam he mentions. He says, he takes by the Quran, he knew this Quran, and he understood the importance of this Quran, and he was a Muslim, and he said, Amantu bi kalamillah, I believe in the word of Allah. And he knew it was the problem for all his solution for all his problems. He knew everything about it. He knew everything. And he knew how much Allah Azza wa Jal would be happy and pleased with him if he read it. يَأْخُذُ الْقُرْآنِ. But then what does he do? فَيَرْفُضُ. He puts it and he turns his back away and he keeps walking. He neglects, he abandons. I can tell you, you knew so much about the Quran and you knew its significance. Why didn't you turn to it? Why didn't you implement that which you knew? For that was his punishment in the grave. Listen, the next half of the narration says, وَيَنَامُ عَنِ الصَّلَاةِ الْمَكْتُوبَةِ. And he sleeps during the time of the obligatory prayers. He sleeps. He doesn't wake up for the obligatory prayers. Huwa subhanallah. You know what you conclude from the hadith? And Nabi sallallahu alayhi wasallam, he put these two in one rank. The one who does not pray, the one who neglects his salat, and the one who neglects the Quran, they're exactly the same in their punishment in the grave. And he says, you know the seriousness of the one who neglects the salah. You know the seriousness of it. This is why you'll force yourself to pray. And you'd get up. Even if you can't taste the sweetness of the salah, you'll get up and you'll pray. We know the seriousness of abandoning the salah. And Nabi sallallahu alayhi wasallam taught us in the hadith that neglecting the salah is a crime just as bad as neglecting the Quran. For if you are a person that forces yourself to pray because of the seriousness of abandoning the salat, then your attitude towards the Quran is supposed to be the very same.